Hello, and welcome to the HelpWire tutorial series. In this video, we will review the HelpWire Client app interface, its purpose and main controls. The HelpWire Client app is one of the two components required to establish a remote access session between computers using HelpWire. The Operator app is installed on the computer that controls the session, and the Client app is used on the computer under remote control. Most of the Client app window is the timeline, a log of the main events that we cover in a separate tutorial video. It also serves as a text chat to communicate with the operator during the remote control session. Above the timeline section of the app, there is the company name and logo, along with the name of the operator who added this particular client to the company's client directory. Right below it, there is an area where important system messages and requests will appear. For example, when the operator requests permission to connect to the client's computer, or when they want to elevate permissions to the administrative level. The client will also be able to see in real time whether any operator is currently connected to the computer. And they can revoke the operator's general or unattended remote access permissions from this area. The main menu of the Client app differs depending on the operating system the controlled computer is running. On Windows, there is a cogwheel icon above the timeline section with a drop-down menu. There you can find the sleep mode options, allowing you to configure whether the computer is allowed to go to sleep while the HelpWire Client app is running or during an active remote access session. Next is the Restart as Administrator option, which grants the operator administrative privileges on the controlled computer. It restarts the Client app with administrator rights. The Install HelpWire option installs the Client app and places a shortcut on the Windows desktop, so you won't need to search for it in the Downloads folder the next time you want to launch HelpWire. And the Change Language setting allows you to change the interface language to one of the available options. The HelpWire icon in the window bar is also a drop-down menu with additional system options. There you can check for updates and install the latest available Client app version from our servers. You can also save troubleshooting logs if you encounter difficulties and need assistance from our technical support team. There is a Help shortcut to our self-service portal, the Knowledge Base. And there's the About HelpWire window, which shows the current version of the HelpWire Client app you are running. On macOS, due to system specifics, not all of these options are available, and they are located in the macOS menu bar when the HelpWire Client app is open. There you can check for updates, configure sleep mode settings, and save troubleshooting logs. The interface language matches your system language in macOS preferences and changes automatically. If the remote connection is configured with unattended access, HelpWire Client runs as a service rather than as an app and minimizes to the system tray. In this case, you do not need the Client app open for the operator to establish a connection, and there is no need to approve every connection request. Right-clicking the tray icon will bring up the unattended access controls, allowing the client to show or hide the chat window, revoke the operator's unattended access permissions, and exit the service. The exit option will stop the HelpWire service until the system restarts, or until you manually launch another instance of HelpWire and restart the service there. On Mac, the option to revoke unattended access is also located in the macOS menu bar under the Connection menu. Just like that, quick and simple. Make sure to check out other videos in the HelpWire How-To playlist to dive deeper into product functionality. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful information.